So I was doing some research on some switches and things like that for the dash panel, and I came across a whole bunch of videos on the garage door opener and how to hide it, and then use a switch to open it. And I thought I might as well, post up what I did, because mine didn't involve any type of, messing with the electronics or anything. I just did something to hide it so that I can still use the button. So I decided I'd show everybody what I did in case anybody else wants to do it that way if they don't want to mess with any of the electronics of the opener. So let me show you what I did. Alright guys, first step, unzip your roll bar padding. Once that's out, just pop the padding out. It'll come out just like that. Alright, now when you take it out, when you take the roll bar padding out, you're pulling out these guys, so you have to pull a little bit hard. And once you do that, it is out. Alright, now just take the clip off your garage door opener so it looks like this. And now I have already done it, but I'll see if I can find pictures of what it looked like when I did it. I believe I used a screwdriver like this, and all I did was sit this on top. All I did was trace around it. Then I just use this to dig out the padding. It comes out pretty easy. You can probably use you could probably even use a box cutter if you wanted to, or something else, but works pretty simple. So once you have that in there, so don't go too far around it, because you want it to sit in there nice and snug like that. And when you're done, you could even put some tape around it so it holds it in there. See, stays in. If you make it too big, it'll fall out, but you could you could put a thing of tape around it if you had to, which is actually what I'm probably gonna do now, just because I don't want it going anywhere. Actually, when I go like this, I can feel where the button is. Pretty easy. So my Jeep actually came with these handles, and I kind of know it's right on the inside of the strap there. So for me, it actually kind of helps. Not that I really like them that much, but actually worked out.